All right, not only will we show you why your knees are creaking in the morning, but we're also going to show you how to stop it.
Oh, good. Is this the same as cracking?
Cracking and creaking
Creaking, all
and
those noises that can happen with your
right,
sometimes
popping,
sometimes when you get older it
snap,
happens.
crackle, pop.
Hold on.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
All right, Brad, our joints have a natural lubricant like oil.
Great.
It's called synovial fluid,
Hmm.
and it's like oil for your joint. It's is when your legs are not moving all night long. Two things happen. One, the synovial fluid begins to thicken.
Oh, the
It's like
viscosity goes up.
right. It's like honey or worse.
I think of it like if you live in the cold weather, as your car
Right.
sits overnight, the
Good point.
oil gets thick and it's hard to start the car. So it's like starting your knees in the morning a little
Right.
stiffer.
Run. So the problem is it makes your joints feel stiff and creaky. The second thing is when your knees and hips aren't moving at night, they stop producing additional synovial fluid. So
So that movement and weight bearing generates and stimulates that. Yeah.
exactly. So you want to get that's one of the first things in the morning when I get the knee moving.
Okay. Good idea.
So one of the really cool ways to start getting knee movement in the morning bed is to use the FitGlide.
While you're still in bed.
Right.
Yep.
It's very lightweight. You could leave it beside your bed and just pick it up and put it underneath your feet and show Brad what you can do with it.
So you can just leave your heels on the FitGlide pedals and do it the exact movement I'm doing now. It gets a tremendous amount of knee range of motion.
It's like you're biking in bed.
Yep, it goes full extension to almost full flexion, and it's just gets the hamstrings. It's just a wonderful.
It really warms
situation.
up the knee. I think you can also, if you feel so inclined, you could try a hot pack on your knees before you even get out of bed.
Sure.
So, okay, next one, Brad, we actually are going to do some hip and knee flexion with the use of a belt or towel or a rolled up sheet.
So you can put that underneath your knee up close to the knee and hold on to that. And so we're going to go up like this so the knee is getting full flexion there and allow it. If it doesn't, we're going to kind of work on that and pull it up this way to get the hip to flex fully. And it works nice with the towel or the belt. You can go around like this if you want, if your knee's pretty flexible, and that'll really max out both joints in regards to flexion. And do 5 to 10 of them. Just kind of hold and relax. Hold and relax. Hold and relax. And so
All right,
on.
we got the idea, Brad.
Etc. Etc.
Okay, for the last one, Brad, you can just roll up on the side of the bed and get your legs off and go ahead and do some kicks.
Good.
You're going to straighten the leg all the way.
Yes. Feel those quads tighten up. Yeah.
Get both sides, get them both warmed up.
So you're doing some strengthening and range of motion. You can do this in a chair too, anytime you want. If you're, sitting at your desk, maybe at the supper table, as long as you're not kicking someone on the other side of the
And you
table.
kick your footballs, put a ball there, kick it.
There's always things to be done
All right,
to make it
a
more
lot of fun.
interesting. All right, Bob, that was a good. Are we doing another one?
Now we're done.
All right, very good. Thank you for watching and putting up with us, and good luck with those
Yes, I am.
knees. Yeah.